with a quick installation of the steel braided lines. First thing first, you gotta take 3 screws, one here, one there, and one here. That's a little easier. As I already let the brake line, and there it is. There's my pump right here. You guys want to try to cover as much as you can. With that brake fluid is on any of your fairings or anything else. If you leave it, it can damage quickly your paint or stain your frame. So the balls on it, just quickly, just wipe it down. That should do no damage, but you know, half of the doing some of the work on anything is doing the prep work. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the line. I'll be back with you guys. All right, guys, here we are. We already took out the rear brake line. Like I said, I mean, no matter how much you drain it, you're always still gonna have some sort of brake fluid still coming out. So, like I said, always have your rag ready to clean things out, and you want to make sure that all of the washers come off. Sometimes you'll take it off and they'll be still there. So when you put the new one, you want to make sure it looks like that. There we are. Now all we gotta do is put the new steel braided line, and we'll be in business. All right, guys, here we are. Make sure you guys, when you're doing this, make sure you test fit. You don't torque anything, because when you're putting these on, like, you don't want to put any pressure on the copper fittings. So if you do that, there's a chance that they might not work properly. So make sure you just hand loosely tight everything before you start putting any torque into it. And when it comes to the torque, the instructions that come with these, you got to go by the specification of those torque. Make sure you take a good look at your instructions and go on the torque specification by what it's on the instructions. But I'm gonna start torquing things down. All right, guys, there it is already. My instructions we're recommending to do between 14 to 18 foot down. That's about 19 meter to 25 meter newtons. I was 16, I went in between. Now all I gotta do is just add the fluid and go from there. Now this one, I ended up having to take the heel guard to bring the master cylinder out, because none of my socket fit between the frame and the bolt. So there it is. Let's start believing it and then work on the front.